Hey, this is Wayne Hatter. So check it out. In this video, I am just going to talk about what you're looking at on the screen because I'm in the process of doing some other activities and I don't want to clog up the system. So with that being said, um, let me just scroll to the top and I'll just kind of give you a breakdown. This feature in ChatGPT, what it does, it allows you to connect to like your Gmail account, right? So what I'm doing right now, I'm creating a ledger, right, that goes all the way back. Well, I'm creating more than a ledger. I'm creating like records, and let's see if I have a list, and I can show you what it's creating for me. Okay, let me scroll down. So, but anyway, it's going all the way back. It's searching all of my records. So it went all the way back to February 22nd um, of 2025. Now, it should have gone back to 2024, that's, well, whatever. That's a situation I'd rather not talk about at the moment. Okay, so anyway, with that being said, I hooked it up and I gave it a prompt, I gave it a command to create me a daily log, every day. So I have a trigger that I'll tell it to say, at this time every night, I want you to execute a log and this and that or whatever. So right here, what you're looking at, these are the logs for February, right? I'll probably refresh the page and then let's see if we can. So it goes all the way up to the 28th. So they say it started at the 17th. However, I got to live with it. That's is what it is. But we're still at a good spot. Let's see if I can go to another folder from here. I hate that I don't remember. Okay, you know what? Let's just go back to 2025. Okay, so right now it's working on March. So let's see how far it's gotten. It's already done the first. So it's the 24th. So I got about 6 more days to go. No, not 6 more days for you guys to watch, but six more entries to be complete. So with what it's doing right now, it was what I've programmed it to do batches of 30, right? So each month, whatever. I actually told it to do. When I trigger and say next, I want you to compile the process of what we're doing right now for that entire month, right? So yeah, this is kind of what I'm doing today. I should be caught up here pretty soon. But it's still not slowing me down. I got a lot of stuff other that I'm working on, but I kind of have to pay attention in this so I can keep it controlled so I don't clog up my system and do too much stuff. But let me continue to show you what's going on. So I already showed you this. These are the daily activities. Let's see if I can open up one, show you what it looked like. I'm going to go through these quick because I don't know if you go past 2 minutes on these videos, if you can upload it to LinkedIn or not, but we're just going to scroll through. So I'm just kind of giving you an overview of what it looks like. Source evidence is giving you blah, 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 blah. This is what happened. And that's a daily log, right? Like a journal, right? And then I have it programmed. It's creating the daily record ledger, right? So it's giving you what folder it is, and then what belongs in that folder, and then the rule, right? What needs to happen for that folder, how it should be sorted, and whatever else assets or rules that I gave it. I can't remember everything off the top of my head, but that's that. And then we have one more. Oh, do we have one more? I think those are the only two. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me go back to let me go back here. I'm not sure what all it created. I just gave it a prompt and then it helped me. Okay, so see, it also created other folder projects. Let's see, nothing in there yet. It'd be interesting to see if it has. So that's the daily records. What I just showed you. That's those that's showing that. Let's see, strategy. Okay, so it's still working on. I'm gonna figure it, but whatever. And I'm glad that it's organized like this because you know how it is. A lot of you like when you get going, right, and then I mean, you enjoy what you do, right? You're having a good time. But when it's time to quit, you're ready to go to bed so you can hurry up and get back up and do it all over again. But you forget that one step, right? Like to log everything and make a record of it. So anyway, I hope that helped you guys in your journey with the AI world. Good luck out there. See y'all later. Bye bye.